Hello everyone, this is Chef Afroza. Hope all of you are staying home, safe and sound, enjoying your time with your loved ones. Today I'm going to share with you a very classic Indian recipe called Samosa, aka Shingara. Let's get started. First I'm going to make the dough. In the flour I've already mixed in the nigella seeds and the salt. Now I'm adding the oil. Now I'm slowly adding the water, making sure not to add all the water at once. After you add the water, need to make a soft but firm dough. While the dough is resting, let's make the filling. First, I'll heat the oil. In the hot oil, I'm going to add the pachpuran. While the seeds start to crackle, I'm going to add the onions and saute it until it's lightly browned. After it's lightly browned, I'm going to add some water so that it doesn't overcook. After that, I'm going to add the turmeric and the coriander powder. Give it a little stir. Add a little bit more water. Stir more. Now add the veggies. Add a little water and salt. Give it a very good mix and let it cook for a little while until it's half done. After it's half done, open the lid and crank up the heat and stir fry until all the water is absorbed. After all the water is absorbed, add the chili flakes and the toasted cumin powder. Add a little bit more salt if needed, and then give it a good stir. Now let's make the samosas. First, make small dumplings with the flour. Roll it like this. You don't have to make it too thin. It shouldn't be too thin or too thick. And then after you roll, then you cut it into half. After you cut it into half, add some water at the edges to seal. Hold it like a cone, just like this. Scoop up the filling, put it inside the cone, and seal it just like this. I'm showing you one more time. I'm also adding some cashew nuts. You can also add peanuts if you want. And seal it and put it on a floured tray. Heat the oil. Fry the samosas until golden brown.